Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss healthy eating and diets with Goldilocks, who we saw in our book, Eat Your Veggies, Goldilocks. Goldilocks only likes to eat ice cream. What is one junk food that you just cannot live without? Do you eat your fruits and veggies? Well, you will have to learn what happens in our story later on. But today, we are going to learn how to make a rainbow out of fruits and vegetables. So here we have some fruits and veggies of every color, and we are going to start with our red apples and our tomatoes. What color goes next? Orange. So we have some cantaloupe and some carrots. And then we have our pineapple and mango for yellow. We have our snap peas, broccoli, and green apple for our green. We have some dark grapes for our blue, because in comparison, here are red or purple grapes, and so these kind of resemble a blue color. And it really doesn't matter what you choose, you just want to make sure that you have a rainbow of fruits and veggies on your plate. And then we're going to have our purple. And so if you look, we have now created our very own rainbow of fruits and veggies. Doesn't that look yummy? So for our activity this week, you will be getting a half plate that resembles your rainbow, and I've already started with some of my stickers, but we have fruit and veggie stickers that will be going home with you as well. And so I've already done my red. So I'm just going to demonstrate one or two to show you. But I have an orange, and so we're just going to place him on there. I have a peach. And then I have a mango here. Pull him off. And of course, we can't forget our vegetables, the carrots. Let me grab him real quick. Place him down here. And you can see that as we keep going, all the colors will make a rainbow. So remember this week to eat your rainbow of fruits and veggies. Bye guys, have a great day.